Did you know that not all fruits raise your blood sugar levels the same way? Some actually help keep your glucose steady, and science explains why. Fruits with a low glycemic index, or GI, and high fiber or organic acids slow carbohydrate absorption. That means a gentler rise in your blood sugar. Take kiwifruit, for example. Its fiber and organic acids literally halve the rise in blood sugar after meals when eaten with starch. Guava and papaya are also low GI fruits. Guava is especially beneficial, while papaya's GI is a bit higher, but still better than many tropical fruits. Chico and mango, their glycemic responses are lower than pineapple or ripe papaya, thanks to higher fiber, fructose, and even natural anti-nutrients. Grapes have a low glycemic load, and their polyphenols may even help control blood sugar levels. Some Brazilian native fruits, like cambuci, camu-camu, and jabuticaba, also show low glycemic effects in research. Weak channel there, but here's the catch. Whole fruits are best. Studies show that eating blueberries, grapes, apples, and pears reduces diabetes risk, while fruit juice actually increases it. So fruits like kiwifruit, guava, mango, chico, grapes, and some native fruits don't significantly raise blood sugar when eaten whole. A sweet and smart choice for better health. Please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. GT channel.